Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's look into the amino acid, the amino acids and their special groups. So this involves the arginine. So what is the arginine? Arginine is nothing but the guanidinium. So arginine, the special group is a guanidinium. Then is a phenylalanine. Phenylalanine is the benzene. So benzene is for phenylalanine. Then comes the tyrosine. Tyrosine is for the phenol. The histidine is for the imidazole. So it rhymes. Histidine is for the imidazole. Then the proline. The proline is for the pyrroline. The PP, so proline is for the pyrrolidine. Pyrrolidine. Next comes the methionine. So methionine is it contains a thioester linkage. Thioester linkage. Next is the tryptophan. So tryptophan, the special group is nothing but the indole. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.